Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today we are going to be going over two new Glowforge Premium options that are available. These were recently released but have been out for a little while. It's the stamp feature and the puzzle maker feature. So I'm going to just use this design right here as just a quick example, one of the ones that are included. And then I'm going to copy and paste this a few times because we're going to need quite a few of these that we're going to show you the difference between each. So there we go. We've got about 6 of them now. So when you have this selected, you have your artwork selected. Let's say you want to make this into a stamp. You can come over here and click on the stamp tool, and you can choose your padding, whether you want to keep the artwork or not keep it, add an edge, like a cut edge. So padding set for 1/4 inch, all that is the padding that's going to be around the back that's actually going to be engraved down. So all this is actually going to do is it's going to invert your image so it can become a stamp. You would want the image to be black and white to get the best stamp possible here, just straight up black and white design here. So let's go ahead and we're going to just click create stamp here, and I'll show you what that does in that current default settings. So basically, like I said, it inverted it. You can choose your settings. More than likely you'll have something pre-selected like Glowforge proof grade material, and then it'll add a cut line around that too. So you now have your cut line and your engrave for your stamp. And they have a cool little feature here that you can add a stamp handle. If you click that, it'll bring you to the Glowforge catalog. Some reason, instead of opening it in a new tab, which you think would be the normal process here if you're working on a design, it will open on top of all of this, and you'll have to go back to your design. So I'm not actually going to click that. Actually, let me right click and open in a new tab. There we go. Just to show you guys. This is the little stamp that you can get. You should be able to get it with Glowforge Premium. It looks like I'm not logged in right now, but you can add that to your stamps as well. So that is the stamp feature. I'm going to show you really quickly the opposite way with the stamp here. So just to show you, you can add more padding if you want. We're going to go to 0.5 inches, and then you can click keep original artwork. What that's going to do is going to make a duplicate and then turn it into a stamp, so you have this extra. And we don't add the edge, we won't have that cut path anymore. We'll click create, and as you can see, these are now stacked, and that is that duplicate that I was talking about. It basically kept your original artwork since we clicked keep original, and then it made your padding bigger that we changed, and we no longer have a cut path for this since we chose that option. So that is the entire stamp tool. We're going to delete these and get them out of the way. So we're going to move on to the puzzle maker. So as you can see, we have our design here. You may want to make this a little bit bigger for puzzles, but it will work small as well. So we're going to make a big one first. All you got to do is click puzzle maker, and then if you want to have your actual image engraved onto a puzzle, you're going to have to keep original artwork. So we're going to go with the default 10 by 10. Click generate puzzle, and all that does is it overlays a puzzle on top of your artwork. It does make it a separate path, so if you click off of it and you grab it, it's going to miss a line. So I'm going to just go ahead and hit Control Z to go back. And that is it. That's all it does, is it basically generates a puzzle on top of your design. Now let's say if we click that puzzle maker again, you remove the original artwork, which I'm not sure why you'd want to. Then all you're going to do is click generate puzzle, and it's going to delete your original artwork and just add a regular puzzle in there. So I guess that was the only option that they had to basically create a blank puzzle. If I'm wrong, you can let me know, but I don't see an other way to actually get to this puzzle maker by itself. It's not in like the 3 dots here, but that might be a cool feature that they can add. That way, if you don't want that and you just want a blank puzzle, then you don't have to have artwork in there originally. But that is pretty much it, you guys. I had 2 extras here for no reason. We don't really need those, but just for the fun of it, I'll show you that it does work with smaller designs too. And it's just a really small puzzle at that point. So that is pretty much it. That is the stamp and puzzle tool that comes with Glowforge Premium. I just wanted to get you guys this video out there just in case you wanted to use those features. I have been seeing questions about how to make stamps on the rise. So this is an easy way. Otherwise, all you have to do is open up Illustrator, invert your image, and put a cut path around it. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys next time.